Downloading Windows 10 the Joe Badu way, Part 2. Go to christidis.com/windows-tool. Copy the command in the description. Open PowerShell as an administrator. Right-click on the prompt to paste the command and wait. When the tool appears, select Tweaks. Then select Standard. Next, in Advanced Tweaks, check the option Disable Microsoft Copilot. Click on Run Tweaks and wait until Tweaks Finished appears at the top right corner of the tool. Additionally, you can go to Config to select more options, or go to Updates and delay Windows updates for 4 days or system upgrades for 2 years. Now, let's delete Windows telemetry. Open Notepad and create a BAT file with the command in the description. Save the file and run it as administrator after every Windows update. You can keep this file on your desktop or any easy-to-reach location. Now let's clean up the Start menu. First, right-click on any unwanted app and select Uninstall. In the right panel of the Start menu, do the same. For wanted apps, simply choose Unpin from Start. Now, you have a Windows 7-like Start menu. Let's install some software, shall we? Go to brave.com. Click on Get Brave. Click on the downloaded Brave installer. Confirm when prompted and wait for the installation to complete. Once Brave opens, maximize the window. Click on Set Brave as default browser. Wait until Settings opens, then in Web Browser, select Brave and close the settings. When asked, would you like to pin Brave to your taskbar? Click Yes. Now let's adjust 2 things in Brave's settings. Go to Get Started, then under On Startup, choose Open the New Tab page. Search for Download, scroll down and disable the option. Ask where to save each file before downloading. Close Brave to save settings and feel free to move the taskbar icon wherever you prefer. Next, go to videolin.org and click on Download VLC. Click on the downloaded installer. Do the next, finish process. When running VLC for the first time, confirm the Privacy and Network Access Policy window. Close VLC. To make it your default player, go to Windows Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps. Change both music player and video player to VLC and close the window. To keep your desktop clean, select the app icons and move them to the recycle bin. To enable the old Windows Photo Viewer, go to the link in the description. Click on the down arrow to download the zip file. Right-click to unzip it and double-click on Restore_Windows_Photo_Viewer_ with _sort_order_fix.reg. Confirm when prompted. Now, return to Default Apps in Windows Settings. Under Photo Viewer, you will now be able to select the old Windows Photo Viewer. That's the end of Part 2.